The Yoshihiro VG10 Santoku knife is celebrated for its exquisite craftsmanship, featuring a stunning 46-layer Damascus steel construction with a VG10 core that ensures both durability and sharpness. This versatile Japanese chef's knife, known as a santoku, is perfect for a wide range of kitchen tasks, embodying the three virtues of slicing, dicing, and chopping with remarkable ease. Handcrafted in Japan, the knife's beautiful hammered texture not only adds aesthetic appeal but also reduces friction, preventing food from sticking to the blade. Equipped with a traditional Japanese wa-style octagonal handle, this knife offers a lightweight and comfortable grip, enhancing the user's cutting experience. The knife includes a saya, a protective wooden sheath, which not only safeguards the blade but also enhances its overall appearance when stored. Maintaining the knife's sharp edge requires careful attention, recommending the use of water whetstones for sharpening and advising against using it on bones or frozen foods.